Hi, this is Lisa B from the Real Estate Club and Let's Talk About Real Estate. Today I want to tell you some big mistakes that I made when I purchased my new phone and how I can save you a lot of money by not doing what I did. I made every wrong mistake. So my phone was playing up about 3 months ago. The battery was not charging and everything. So I went down to the local kiosk at the shopping centre, which everybody does, inquired about getting a new battery there. So it was going to be $300, $400, $350, $400, something like that. So, okay. Went into Apple and I asked them about replacing the battery. It was going to be $700 and something. So I thought, well, a new phone is $2,000 or something. To replace the battery, $700. That seems a lot to, you may as well just wait and get a new phone. So maybe I just get the cheaper battery for $300-$400 until I'm ready to get a new phone. There's nothing wrong with the old phone apart from the battery. So anyway, I sort of asked for the pros and cons at Apple, and basically, we arrived at the fact that both were 3-month warranty, couldn't see any other difference between it, and should be okay. It looks the same on face value. I didn't know anything different. So I went down, had the battery replaced at the kiosk, 3-month warranty. So 3 month, 1 day later, the battery dies, won't charge, and phone stuffed basically. So the things now too is that obviously it was out of warranty, so I've got no comeback on it. That the phone, because I put a non-genuine part in, as soon as you turn that phone on, it says that the battery is not an Apple battery, things like that. So I can't get a trade-in on that phone either. So that's something else that costs me money. The other thing I did at the same time, which the last time I bought a phone, I went through Apple and I got the Vodafone deal. So I was locked into a contract. Vodafone, for me, driving down to New South Wales and everything, and different parts of here in Queensland, you can't get range. So I didn't want to go with Vodafone again. So I actually swapped then and there out of Vodafone phone, paid out the contract, which was a couple of $100 really, and then I swapped to Telstra. So that was okay. So then after the phone died, I thought, well, okay, I'll go to JB Hi-Fi, and then they've got the plans as well that you can, get $1,000 off the phone or whatever, lock into a plan. So I went into JB Hi-Fi. They said, yeah, we've got the $1,100 gift voucher or something. And I went, oh, perfect, I'm with Telstra now. Oh, sorry, no, you can't get the $1,100 because you're already Telstra. It's only if you swap your phone over. So what you need to do is get a whole new phone number, and then we can do it. And I was like, well, I've had the same phone number. I can't swap my phone number. Then he started saying about a prepaid phone or something. I didn't understand what he was talking about. So anyway, cut a long story short, had to buy a new phone, which I'm grateful for. But it's like I just did it the wrong way. I could have saved money. I could have done all these things. So I just don't want you to make the same mistakes that I did. So so I could have gone to Optus for a month and then swapped back to Telstra and got the voucher. However, I would, my phone's playing up for a month, and it's just, you can't do business like that. The other thing you've got to think about when you get the new phone is that your accessories are not going to fit either. So my microphones, etc., don't fit in it. So that's an extra cost as well. So it probably costs me upwards of $2,000 mistake. Anyway, that's my mistake, is something that now not to do the same thing that I did, do the complete opposite basically.